Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I want to share with you how I've created some cute home decor using Dollar Tree items. Now these could also serve as very inexpensive gift ideas for Valentine's Day. So first I'm starting off with this shadow box that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to be doing is removing the backing from this piece. I'll be taking these pink small crystals that are vase fillers from Hobby Lobby, and they are found in the wedding section. I'm going to be filling my shadow box with these crystals. I'll also be taking some LED wired lights that I got from Amazon. I will link them down below. And I'm going to be gluing those to the backing of this shadow box. And I'll be adding my hot glue to add back the backing for my shadow box. I'm going to be covering the border and edges of the shadow box with this gold metallic tape that I purchased from Amazon. I will also link this down below. So here's how the crystal shadow box turned out, and I think it's super simple and elegant. But let me know down below, what are your thoughts on how this turned out? So next I'll be taking this decorative cake tray from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be gluing one of these Dollar Tree round mirrors to the center. Now I'll be taking some of these foam roses that I also purchased from Dollar Tree, and I did spray paint these in a gold color. I'm also using some of their 18mm pearls, and I'm going to be alternating between the roses and the pearls on the border of this cake plate. So I really didn't love the way these gold roses turned out, so later on I do switch them out for the pink one, and I did love the look much better. But let me know down below which one of these was your favorite. I'll also be using this piece here, which I created some time ago. I will have a link for that down below if you're interested. So next I'll be using two of the tea light long stem candle holders. I have two different sizes, as well as these cloches from the Dollar Tree. So I'll be adding a crystal knob to each of these domes. I got these from Amazon. I will have them linked down below. I'm going to allow these to dry. Next I'll be taking the base for the cloches, and I'll be wrapping the outer edge with some mirrored tiles, also from Amazon. I will have that link down below. Taking a round, this is just a cardstock glitter paper, and I'm going to be adding that to the inside base of this cloche. And I'm not going to add any glue, just in case if I want to change out the look later on, I can. Now I'll be gluing the long stem tea light candle holders to the base of this cloche. I'm also going to be taking these up a notch by adding some roses just to give it that Valentine's Day feel, and you can either go with the white or pink roses. I'm going to go ahead and use the white ones, and I'm going to be adding a small dab of hot glue and just adding these going all the way around the base. Because I'm using hot glue, I can then take these roses off after the day and use these with just the mirror tile base. So here's how these rose cloches turned out, and I absolutely love the look of these. But let me know down below, what are your thoughts on how these DIYs turned out? So that is all for today. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. I hope that you're continuing to stay safe, and I will talk to you in the next one.